Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to easily use the OIS, which is the Optical Image Stabilization, on your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. At first we need to open the camera application, and to use the OIS we have to now enter this, as you can see, photo or video. If you are in the photo, we have to tap the 50 megapixels, and now we can navigate to these 3x over here. Now if we try to make the picture, as you can see, it will make it less shaky. Now we can take a photo, and it looks like it was taken on some pro camera. Apart from that, we can enter the video here and enter, wait a moment, I lower the quality. We can tap this man icon over here to enter the super steady mode. This is the optical image stabilization on this phone, like in the video. And now we can do something like that. Take some movement, like for example my hand is shaky right now, and now we can play our video and see that this is more steady like it was during the preview. You can't, for example, if you're warning, you won't see these shakes, and that's how OIS works. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving on this video. It's very important to us. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.